Hello, my name is Frank Chen. I'm from MITnet. MITnet is a subsidiary of the Might Electronic. Might Electronic is an electronic manufacturing service company from Taiwan. And we are not just only a manufacturing company. Because right now that you can see so many hardware startups. So we are trying to build a better service, a one-stop service for hardware startup, from the design, develop, and the manufacturing, even and help our hardware startup to find the right sales channel to the global market. So how just leading to the many questions about the supply chain. So finding a reliable partner for your hardware development should be a better choice instead of managing everything by your own self. So what MITnet can do for you? We can manufacturing diversified products from small volume to mass production. We also are co-work with many chipset vendors to produce their evaluation board of their chipset and also some mass production product both in Taiwan and China. We have a very high reliability in the manufacturing process to make sure you're quite high quality products. Also, we can help you to speed up your product delivery, and because it depends on how to speed up your design and develop process. And also, your IP is better protected and respected in Taiwan. We are a Taiwan-based company, and our R&D center located in Taiwan. Also, our channel consultant services for global market should be very, very helpful according to our 30 years experience. That's what we think that as a hardware startup, you should know about some terms that something happened. EVT, DVT, PVT, mass production, and marketing. So that comes from the EVT. That EVT is the engineering verification test. That's the basic way to try to find out what's the right product market fit for your product. So it's using the minimum production low budget proofing service tailored for startup. And using variety of powerful module and engineering verification to verify your product concept and the functionality. And then after you prove your concept, that you need to start your design and try the way to find out that your design is correct for manufacturing. So now lead to DVT, design verification test, using 3D printing, maybe some other easy way. So to identify the design and the manufacturing problem in the process. And no matter in safety certification, circuit design, mechanical tool, engineering sample, Might can help you to ensure your quality. And then we need to prepare something for really go to mass production, because if you do something wrong, if there's something happen in the mass production, actually it's a catastrophe because everything will go wrong. So before that, you should do some small quantity pilot run to help you to make sure your mass production process is correct, and also with the international standard of the quality and manufacturing standard production procedure, and to do a small quantity trial in our lab, and then we can go to the mass production. We have more than 30 years of cooperation experience with the so-called big brand company and 4 factories in Taiwan and China. So we can help you to in cost control and resource. So we also provide, we call it PM as a service, because so many things there are more than 30 decisions you need to be made, and more than 400 tasks you have to be complete. So every mistake may cause 1 to 2 weeks delay, at least. So make sure you have a good partner to help you to managing all the process. And of course, you need to know and really follow to the detail. You may not need to know everything, but you may need to follow up everything. And then, because we have many big customers globally, so we have a very good experience of the marketing strategy, distribution channel, and the logistics from our experience. So easily ship your product to all over the world, and our one-stop service may bring you your product to the global market. And right now, we know that the hardware startup may be many categories of the products, but according to MightyNet Smart Solution, we focus on 4 product segments: smart life, smart medical, smart factory, and smart logistics. And also, we are not only just a manufacturing company. We also allianced with our many partners from the accelerator and startup ecosystems and some investor to help the hardware startup to get the comprehensive resources to grow their business. So we are trying to magnify our makers and the startup to success from 1 to 100, even more. We also have the capability to manufacture a million scale production. This is our brief history that Might Electronic is founded in 1968 and gradually building up our factories in China and Taiwan. So it depends on your requirement. If you need your requirement and there's some component sources, you can choose the manufacturing site by yourself. And right now we also have many experience with hardware startup. There are many examples that I'll give you a brief later. And not only the hardware startup customers, we also have many traditional electronic company customers that can help you to find out the right customer. That's our revenue proportion from globally. Also, we have some partners to help to build up a good relationship with the partnership to help the hardware startup. And here, the following is some of our products in the past. We are really good at in networking and IoT because our biggest customer is a really high power Wi-Fi amplifier customer. Also, we have many experience in automotive product and optical business. We have a factory in Taiwan is specialized for optical products in Hsinchu. Also, right now we're aiming on the IoT application. So we also develop our own EVB evaluation board for Sigfox application and also manufacturing the Sigfox module for customer. We can help you to develop the Sigfox devices depending on your request. So our design capability including the wireless controller and the sensor to help you to integrate all the technology into your device. And not only the electronic design, also the mechanical design is also very important to help you to make your product look like a real product, not just a prototype. This is, and then is our product in the past. This is a Wi-Fi, high power Wi-Fi transmission product. Also, we closely co-work with Sigfox and Sigfox operator in Taiwan, which we can help you to penetrate to the Sigfox global market. Also, we helped. This is one of our customer. Is a digital signage for the supermarket, and then a lot of Bluetooth product, the Bluetooth smart home applications, and this is an air quality sensor for home using. And this is Bluetooth smart lock, is our Australian customer. This is also a Bluetooth application to find out your purse, find out your keys. This is a gesture suggestion of it's a Japanese company just invested by Intel. Also, we have the experience to make the drone. This is the fastest drone, racing drone. One of the Taiwan hardware startup customer is focused on the racing. And we also have the experience with some robotic, and we can help you we co-work with our customer from the start, from the basic design and develop the kit for the maker. And this is a smart suitcase that we help to build the whole electronic systems which can track your suitcase globally and with Bluetooth and a charging facility inside. This is a home brewer for wine and vinegar. I'll bypass this. This is too hard to explain. It makes special effect for your industry. This is a coffee bean baker. It's like a smart coffee bean baker. This is the motor, sink motor in the water. And also we co-work with some artist, which he designed some application. This is a Bluetooth, is a birdcage shape and Bluetooth speaker. And then this is a wearable device of the traditional watch with Bluetooth function and the UV sensor for children, to monitoring the exposure of UV, and also the traditional watch. This is the application to measure the temperature of the children. Use a bio-friendly material to measure on the skin to help the parents to take care of their child. Let's bypass this. This is a startup from United States, from Silicon Valley. They design a wearable device for gaming and use real gesture and the button on your clothes to play. Sorry, I bypassed. This is the toy for your pet. It's a Singapore startup, and we help them to build up the system and also find the right material to build this application. And this is also a wearable device using the RFID it's like a ticket and or a card to charging for charge, like a car ticket. This is a digital sandbag. It's also from Taiwan customer. And thank you so I believe that Might Electronic is a reliable partner for your hardware startup to develop your product. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Frank. Is there any questions? If you have any questions for Frank, you are welcome to ask the Frank directly at the floor. Thank you. Thank you very much for your speech. Please give a clap for Frank. So next, we are pleased to have Stefan